Evening all. I finally finished the buildings. It took all day, but I'm quite happy with what I've made. There's a garage. Inside that one, there's even a little office. As soon as come to check on the progress. It's building 1. Building 2 I've just done as a storage depot. Number 3 is the workshop, the joiner workshop, with the drills and the lathes and everything, planers, sander, and the lathe at the door. Quite impressed with that one. And the last building is the blacksmith. Not much in there, but the camera focuses. Some tools on the wall, hammers and things. And if I can just rest the camera a moment, let it focus. I think I've got the power on. The pièce resistance is is that. It's quite good. If you're a Game of Thrones fans, it could be Gendrick. Yeah, quite impressed with that. So yeah, just got to change a few signs because it's not really a scrap metal. Yeah, in time I will be changing signs and things. And come on, camera, focus. Yeah, quite pleased. Let's see what it's like in the night. Let's see if it's any better in the night. The camera's still not wanting to focus. Yeah. Alright. Thanks again, folks, and get things out of the way. Really need to get my skills up on the cameras. Cheers, everybody. Happy training.